From day one, we're engineering a path to our future. A program over 200 alumni strong, over 1,400 matches played, and 25 years of excellence. Since the fall of 2000, Team 624 has been competing in the first robotics competition. The Cinco Ranch Engineering Wizards made their debut at the Lone Star Regional in 2001. The next year, 624 reimagined its brand. CRyptonite was born and made its first championship appearance in 2003. We introduced our iconic green spikes, a tradition that still stands today. After 14 regionals over 8 seasons,
28-18, Blue Alliance out in front, but here comes the Red Alliance.
we won the 2009 Bayou Regional. From our sponsor's workshop, to a garage, to strip malls and classrooms, while lobbying for a STEAM center that would support KDISD robotics teams. In 2015, we moved into the Robert Shaw Center, which now supports 7 FRC teams. We're not just a robotics team.
Joining Team CRyptonite may have been the best decision I made in high school.
Building a legacy goes beyond the robots. It extends into the lives we change and the impact we make.
They are already the winners of the Chairman Award at Hub City.
We don't just make robots, we shape the future.
Anyone can make a difference.
Not just a team, not just a brand, not just kids building robots.
624 has 4 rotors going.
CRyptonite showing what they've got.
Red Alliance is going to take the win, and 624 pops another one up.
Your Apollo Division champion, the Blue Alliance.
There it is, a new world high score on the board.
We are CRyptonite.